Sheena Bora was murdered. 6 years after the case came to light, the prime accused Indrani Mukherjee now says Sheena Bora is alive. The mystery is getting deeper and deeper. What's the truth? Here are today's developments and then our last debate.
6 years after the spine-chilling Sheena Bora murder case surfaced, the jailed accused and mother of Sheena Bora, Indrani Mukherjee, claims she's alive. In a letter to the CBI, Indrani claimed she came across a woman in prison who met Sheena Bora in Kashmir.
She's received this information from an inmate who is a lady government officer who claims that she had met Sheena in Kashmir in July 2021. So basically what Indrani wants is that she wants CBI to take necessary steps and necessary actions in that regard. Now I'm likely to move an application on her behalf in the court on the next date, in the CBI special court. Yes, we are moving Supreme Court and we are likely to file an appeal next week. So hopefully I'm positive that she'll get bail from the Supreme Court.
Indrani's claim is bizarre and it doesn't add up. Is it just a legal stunt? The allegations come a year and a half after Peter Mukherjee was released from Arthur Road jail. And this is not the first time such claims have been made. She's been changing her versions over the years. The new claims raise more questions right after the CBI has informed a special court Indrani killed Sheena Bora and the CBI would not be carrying out further investigation in the case. Can she be taken at face value?
Sana Rais Khan is Indrani Mukherjee's lawyer and Ishkaran Bhandari is a lawyer in Delhi. And Sana, I know this case very well. I don't know if you remember, yes, but I had gone into Peter Mukherjee's house after the murder and he was sitting there with the family.
Okay.
And I asked him to give me an interview.
Okay.
He tried to avoid it. He called his lawyers. I put my phone in front of him. I recorded an interview. Remember that, Ishkaran? And in the interview, he fumbled and he made certain statements and that ended up revealing exactly what happened. Till that point of time, Sana, Peter and Indrani Mukherjee were the absolute darling of the Lutyens media because they were popular. They had connections in the Lutyens media, including with some Lutyens channels, Ishkaran, with 4-letter names. The bottom line is this, that your client, Indrani, is trying to be too clever by half. You're putting out all, Hansel and Gretel fairy tale stories. The fact is, she's accused of murder, right? She has died of strangulation, okay? There's a burnt skeleton. She was strangled in the car. By a person who covered her mouth, and somebody pulled her hair and Indrani strangled her. I repeat, the driver covered her mouth.
As of now,
another person who was sitting behind pulled her hair and your client strangled her to death. Now your client, having strangled her to death, is saying, no, she's been reincarnated and is in Kashmir. Please give me bail. I think it's really stupid to come up with this kind of argument. What do you think, Ishkaran? What do they think the system is?
So
Arnab, there is a reason for so many years she has not been given a bail.
To that effect
ordinarily, Arnab, ordinarily in cases, after a while, especially a lady in jail, you do get bail. But the reason probably she has not been given the bail is because you cook up stories like this, you try to mislead the investigation, you try to mislead the case, you try to create evidence. Those become grounds to deny you bail. If you try to create evidence or mislead the court or the investigative agencies, that would then become a ground to deny bail. And she has been in jail for such a long period of time that shows that the courts and multiple courts have found it fit not to even give her a bail pending trial. And that depends on the conduct of the person undergoing trial. And in this case, as you have noticed, you have done interviews, and I remember watching all those stories you broke. There is a reason that this investigative journalism, there is a reason that the police investigation, which has incarcerated her and has prevented bail till now, and these tactics will make it even tougher to get bail in future.
Yes.
Please
As
do.
of now,
Please
what
do.
I can say is that I'm representing her, so I should be allowed to give a clarification to that effect. All right. So she has received an information presently, and she has written a letter to the CBI. As a citizen, she has the right to write a letter to the CBI, and as a citizen, because she is behind the bar since more than 6 years, she has the right to approach Supreme Court or any court for bail to that effect. Now, coming to the aspect of the letter, she has written a letter to the CBI because she has received a crucial piece of information after 6 years, 6 long years of her incarceration, that the lady government officer, who is an inmate presently in Baikala jail, has given her this information that she saw Sheena in 2021 in July, recently. So all she wants is a fair investigation in that regard. And I think that's her right. As a mother, she would want to know. She's concerned and she would want to know the truth.
Allow me,
So as
Sana,
of
who
now,
is
all
this?
she's demanding
You are
is
saying that a
she's
fellow
requesting
inmate.
the CBI to
1 minute.
direct it
You are
to
saying that a fellow.
investigate in that regard.
Don't go take. No, Sana.
Yeah, as of now,
Sana,
yes.
yeah. So you're saying that
Inmate
there is a
even
fellow
recognized
inmate.
Sheena.
Who is this fellow inmate?
Yes, I cannot divulge the details presently, and that I've already informed you earlier as well. So yes, you'll come to know with time. Time will answer everything, because we are likely to move an application in the court as well if the CBI
that's all
doesn't
right.
investigate in that
No,
regard.
don't give me
We are-
philosophical
we'll
remarks. I'm
request the
asking you.
court to direct
I'm
the
asking
CBI
you
to
that
invest- And
you are
so-
actually
yes,
telling
yes,
us.
And so far as the bail,
Sana,
as the bail is concerned,
Sana,
so far
what
as the
you're
aspect
saying,
of bail
allow-
is concerned, we are not raising this.
No, I'm not going technical on bail and all. I'm saying that what you're saying to me is that Indrani made friends with a fellow inmate, and then what you're telling me is this.
To probe in that regard and to
No,
know the
one
truth.
second. Okay, Sana, 1 minute. Let me understand this
tell me.
correctly. You're saying that Indrani Mukherjee, the alleged killer of her daughter, Sheena Bora, has become friends with a fellow inmate who says that
yes,
your daughter is alive and well, the person who you murdered is fine, I have met her in Kashmir. Can you tell me how this fellow inmate identified Sheena Bora?
Alright.
Yes, yes, yes.
see, a person is presumed to be innocent until he or she is proved guilty. So presently, the matter is sub judice in court, and I'm
Answer my
representing
question.
her,
How
hence
is
I wouldn't
how
be
is she?
comfortable sharing
No,
a lot of
how is
details
she?
presently.
How did she identify
Yes.
Sheena Bora?
So without
No,
going
how
into the
did she
merits of the
identify
case,
Sheena Bora?
without going into the merits of the case, let the CBI,
No, not about merits.
Let the CBI carry out investigation in that regard. Let the CBI record the
CBI
statement
does
of
not
What
the
a-
CBI.
what a- what a
every
Carry out
hearing.
investigation in that regard. Everybody will get the answer.
Arnab-
Everybody will get the
Arnab-
answer. You will get the answer.
Arnab,
The media will
CBI
get
does
the
not
answer.
go
Of course, it is in
chasing
public
after
domain.
every
Let the
red
CBI
herring
carry out
which
investigation.
the accused throws.
As of now, my colleague who is my colleague who is there on the other side, he's also a lawyer, so I'm sure he understands. Since the matter is sub judice in court, it's not really required. It's not really relevant making unnecessary comments at this.
So
stage.
here's how I read it.
So
Arnab,
I was
can I
called
comment
to
on
Here's how I
discuss
read
about
it.
the
Sana,
letter.
1 minute, please.
I was called
Sana, just be brief. Just be brief.
discuss about the letter.
Just be brief.
Arnab,
Here's
just
how I
one
read
moment.
it. Here's how I read it.
Discussed about the details
Here's how
of the
I read it. She wants bail. Numerous times she has moved the High Court. That has not worked. She's not getting bail.
Alright.
So she sat down and created this
let me give a
brainwave.
clarification to that effect.
Brainwave.
Let me give a
It
clarification
is a
to that
sham
effect.
attempt to try and get bail. It is a sham attempt to try and get bail. Numerous attempts have failed. There are 3 charge sheets. Now there is a new brainwave. And she says that my friend sitting in jail with me has found the person I killed living in Kashmir. And Sana is not answering me at all. Sana, my question to you is, I repeat, and please listen to me, don't get worked up. My simple question to you is, how did this inmate identify Sheena Bora? How did this inmate identify Sheena Bora? Just tell me.
So, all right, exactly. So you are asking the wrong person the wrong question. All right, let the CBI record the statement of this lady officer, and then you'll get to know the answer. That's all I'm saying. Because this is exactly
so
what we're
silly.
demanding.
Okay,
we are demanding
Ishkaran,
investigation
this
in
is
that
this
regard.
tactic
We
won't work.
want the CBI to investigate, carry out a fair investigation.
2 points.
Carry out-
Anna, just 2
no,
points.
Just 1 second. Just let me just
Ishkaran,
complete.
Ishkaran, quick
And so far as
comment.
the bail
Quick
is
response from
concerned-
Ishkaran.
as
Thank
the
you.
bail is concerned, we are not raising this claim in the bail application.
Arnab, first thing, as you rightly asked, how does an inmate recognize Sheena Bora? She is not such a recognizable face. Frankly, I won't recognize her even after I've seen a photo on the screen you have flashed. Second part of this is, while it may not be a part of the bail application, but if it gets accepted that she is alive, that will be an automatic ground not only of bail, but of also malicious prosecution done by the prosecution agencies, which they did. So, of course, it's working up to the bail that anybody with rudiment knowledge of law will know what they're trying to do. And last point I would make here is CBI does not go running after every red herring an accused throws. Of course, it's accused right to move to the court, but usually such things are dealt very firmly by the court, and best of luck to them. It's their right to try it out.
I only want to tell you, viewers, remember this is not the
She's
first trick.
rightfully approaching the
And
court.
it is true that while being interrogated, I go back to 2015, when she was interrogated about the murder, when your client was interrogated about the murder of Sheena Bora, he had said at that point of time that Sheena Bora is in the United States of America. He had said at that point of time Sheena Bora is in the United States of America and she is going to get married. And so she's been giving all these crazy stories each time. It's not going to work. Nobody knows this case better than me. In fact, Sana, you would be well advised to see the transcript of my interview and my investigative reports in this regard in 2015. And ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure bringing the news to you as always. I have two quick responses to carry before I wrap up tonight. One, Arish Hussain says, thanks Arnab for debating on this great day. This day shows the bravery of our Indian army. Pakistan's economy has collapsed. After 50 years, the difference between the economy of Pakistan and Bangladesh is clearly visible. Oh, yes, it is. And we are going to put out details contrasting the Pakistani GDP, Bangladeshi GDP, the debt to GDP ratio and other figures which just tell you how far the two countries have grown. And I shall see you tomorrow at 9. Good night, ladies and gentlemen, and goodbye.